Imagine you're sitting on a long flight, and you suddenly realize that your laptop screen is too small, but you need to respond to some urgent emails, browse the web, or perhaps give a virtual presentation. You're stuck with a mediocre screen and a bulky device that's more suited for a conference room. The Lenovo Yoga 7 i2-in-1 laptop is designed to address this very problem. It's one of the most powerful, feature-packed, and versatile convertible laptops on the market that's not only a great tool for your work, but also a reliable companion for streaming, browsing, and general use. Today, I'll dive into the world of this fantastic device, revealing its strengths, weaknesses, and the real-world experience behind its two-in-one hybrid design. But first, let's establish why traditional laptops and tablets haven't kept up with our ever-evolving tech expectations. Traditional laptops are often limited in terms of flexibility, and even the most advanced tablets fall short when it comes to productivity and multitasking. It's a trade-off that few users like to make between portability, processing power, and a decent touchscreen experience. Lenovo's innovative approach has been leading the two-in-one laptop revolution, and the Yoga 7i is its latest embodiment, showcasing the brand's expertise in delivering both powerful and portable devices. I've spent considerable time with the Lenovo Yoga 7i, and let me tell you, this device is truly something special. Upon first impressions, the Lenovo Yoga 7i exudes quality and style. The exterior is crafted from a strong, premium metal that instantly conveys its robust nature. The device measures 12.68 by a 9.3 5x0, 82 inches, 323 by 237 by 21 millimeters, in its more compact form, making it both portable and versatile. It weighs around 4.08 pounds, 185 kilograms, which is quite lightweight given its features and the metal chassis. The convertible mechanism, the so-called 360-degree hinge, allows you to switch seamlessly between various modes, be it laptop, tablet, tent, or stand, each offering unique benefits for everyday tasks and multimedia enjoyment. One of the key advantages of a Yoga 7i's hinge is its sturdy build quality. You can confidently use this laptop without worrying about the mechanism collapsing or breaking. The 16-inch 4K UHD IPS touchscreen that Lenovo equipped it with is undoubtedly the Yoga 7i's crowning glory. This Wuxka resolution panel is not only breathtakingly vibrant, but also features narrow bezels that allow you to fully immerse yourself in any content or task. Furthermore, its brightness and color accuracy hold their own against some of the best screens in its class, delivering the immersive experience that Lenovo promises. Performance-wise, this device is powered by a potent Intel Core i7 Ultra processor, combined with 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. The Intel Core i7 provides not only superior processing and multitasking power, but also enhanced battery life. I didn't experience any issues with multitasking, video or music streaming, or running resource-intensive applications. Even with multiple heavy tasks running simultaneously, the device remained remarkably responsive, and battery life was surprisingly good. But of course, no device is perfect, and the Yoga 7i has its own set of trade-offs. On occasion, I experienced some heat buildup during long gaming sessions or video encoding tasks. However, the fans kicked in quite effectively to mitigate this, keeping temperatures in check. Battery life is generally excellent, but I suppose this depends on your use case. You can expect around 8 hours in real-world applications. The camera on the Lenovo Yoga 7i is surprisingly good, especially for an Ultrabook. Its 1080p FHD sensor can handle a range of scenarios seamlessly, from group calls to casual video conferencing. Furthermore, you get the convenience of face authentication via fingerprint recognition built into the power button or the webcam's facial recognition capabilities. Another notable aspect is Wi-Fi connectivity. Lenovo didn't skimp on connectivity options. There's also gigabit-class Wi-Fi and an extensive port selection including USB-A, USB-C, and HDMI for connecting peripherals and a separate HDMI port for easy video output. In terms of storage, the Yoga 7i boasts a 1 terabyte SSD, fast enough to store your work, multimedia library, and programs without a hitch. The Yoga 7i isn't just a two-in-one laptop. It's a statement of versatility and power. When compared to other ultra-portable laptops, Lenovo's device stands out due to the sheer power, impressive battery life, and the innovative convertible 360-degree hinge. Although its competitors such as HP's X360 line and Acer Spin series are well-rounded in their own right, Lenovo's Yoga 7i offers something more. The perfect blend of performance, portability, and multimedia capabilities with that coveted touchscreen. Ultimately, this incredible laptop, the Lenovo Yoga 7i, delivers everything you need, a seamless hybrid experience that lets you use your device in a multitude of ways. Its powerful Intel Core i7 processor, stunning touchscreen display, and exceptional portability make it perfect for professionals, content creators, and anyone in need of an all-day power machine. If you're looking for that perfect device that does it all, the Lenovo Yoga 7i 2-in-1 laptop is an exceptional option that won't disappoint.